little songs.
Big science. Hey, hey.
Oh, I was sorting through boxes in the attic, shuffling around in my socks, when the inevitable buildup of static led to several electrical shocks. Spark in the dark, a little flash of blue jumped out of my finger and over to a metallic conductor. I believe it was a skeleton key. It was a shocking experience with static electricity.
Hey, let's try a little experiment.
Shuffle your sock feet on the carpet over to the door.
Reach one finger out and touch the metal knob. You created static.
Why was there a shock?
Well, Jeff,
Everything is made up of atoms. And atoms most certainly are composed of a nucleus surrounded by electrons, the basis of electrical charge. Everybody knows opposites attract. Two surfaces touch, atoms react. A surplus of electrons jumping from an object with a negative charge to an object with a relatively positive charge are the flashes of blue light that we see. Another shocking experience with static electricity. Hey, hey.
I thought that I was very well rounded, a predominantly positive man. But clearly, I'm not quite as grounded as I like to think that I am. I thought that the shocks would be painful, they weren't. Thousands of volts, but a very small current. When I go down the slide and my hair stands straight up. When a dryer sheet sticks to the pants that I pick up. When I rub a balloon on the top of my head and my hair looks like I just got out of bed. And then I put that balloon near a thin stream of water and the water bends.
The water bends?
The water bends. Try it, friends. Yes, we can guarantee you'll have a shocking experience with static electricity.